Want to get your tummy moving in the morning? This is what works for me. Start with 2 tablespoons of thick natural yogurt. Then add 1 or 2 bananas. Add water until you get the consistency you like. Now blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Bananas give you fiber and natural yogurt contain beneficial live cultures. I drink this in the morning and I notice a real difference in my regularity on the days I have it. If you want it sweeter, you can add a little sugar, but that's completely optional. Simple, cheap and delicious. Try it for yourself. And if you found this useful, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, follow for more, and tell me in the comments how it worked for you.